We're going to look at 53. 53 is kind of an easier question. There's a couple ways to solve it, but I'm going to show you a way to solve it with the calculator, and then I'm going to show you a way to solve it without a calculator. So, which expression is equivalent to negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 4? So if you put that into the calculator, negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 4, and then take a look at your graph. So this is what your graph looks like, and you want to find an expression that is equal to that. So if we put these in the calculator, just the way you see them, you should find a graph that looks exactly the same. So go into y equals, and I'm going to put in my answer choice A. So 3x plus 7, parentheses, 3x minus 3, and go to your graph. So you can see the first graph was there, and your second graph is this big thing, so obviously that's not equal, so A is not correct. Go back to y equals, go ahead and clear out that one, and let's put in answer choice B, parentheses, negative 3x plus 4, close parentheses, parentheses 2x minus 1, and then look at your graph. So there's our first one, and there's our second one. So it should be the exact same, and you can see this is shifted over to the right, so that would be incorrect. Close, but not right. So go back to y equals, B is out, so now look at C. It says 3x minus 7 and 3x plus 3, and then go to your graph. There's our first one, and there's our second one. So obviously that's not the same, and so let's eliminate C and then go back to y equals and plug in D and make sure that's right. It says negative 3x minus 4 and 2x plus 1, and then look at your graph, and hopefully we should have another graph right on top of that, and we do. And you didn't actually see a graph because it's the exact same graph. So the answer in this one would be D, and that's how you can use your calculator to solve it. So let me show you how you would solve this without a calculator. And that would be, you can use your box method, you could FOIL it out or whatever. So you just take your answer choices and FOIL them. So we knew the answer was D, so I'm just going to show you that one. So if you do negative 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1, that would be negative 6x squared minus 8x minus 3x minus 4. And so you can see that would be negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 4, which is exactly what we need it to be.